Hey there foodies! Welcome back to episode 3 of Lunchbox Adventures. I am Cuckoo and today's episode is all about bringing a burst of flavors to your lunchbox with a soya fried rice. If you are a fan of savory wholesome meal, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. Let's get started. Start by heating some water. Once it starts to boil, add in soya chunks until they are soft. Squeeze out the excess water and set it aside. Now in a bowl, add gram flour, rice flour, salt, chili powder, water and mix everything together until you get a lump-free batter. Then add the soaked soya chunks and shallow fry them in oil until they turn golden brown. Now in a pan, heat some oil, saute some chili ginger garlic paste and now add in onions until they turn translucent. Now toss in vegetables like beans, capsicum. You can add any veggies of your choice. Stir fry them until they are tender yet vibrant. Now let's add our fried soya chunks into the mix. Toss them in the pan with that sauteed vegetable. These soya chunks will absorb the flavors, then add in the soya sauce, tomato ketchup, salt, creating a protein-packed powerhouse for our soya fried rice. Add the cooked and cooled rice to the pan. Mix everything together, ensuring that every grain of rice get coated in that savory soya goodness. That wraps up our soya fried rice on Lunchbox Adventure. I hope you enjoyed this twist on a classic dish. If you tried it at home or have your favorite fried rice variations, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious lunchbox ideas